Morning. So we're out on the streets, early out. Special operations, intelligence operation with SAPS. Information they collected, and we are going to follow up on the information. It's a privilege for us to work alongside the men and ladies in blue, and it's a privilege for us to serve our communities, to protect our communities. So we're out on the streets, early morning of working. So let's see what it holds.